It's here.
Pro Colored F13 DTF Printer. Having access to a DTF printer in-house is a game changer. You can put DTF transfers on pretty much anything. So this is going to be a super fun journey to see exactly what I can use this on. I'm going to show you the setup, make my first t-shirt, show you how to design it and how you can do it too. Let's get into the Pro Color DTF printer. Don't forget to use my link down below to get yours as well. It is totally worth the investment. I love this machine. Now let's get into it. And today's video is sponsored by Pro Colored.
So like I said, the design process is super easy. I just made a t-shirt on Canva, super easy to do, and then put it in the Pro Color software, send it over to the printer and make it. So let me show you the process of how I made my t-shirt.
This is a Pro Color F13 Panda DTF printer, and I love it. As you can see, it has a slider here to cut off your DTF prints once it comes out of the machine, a holder for the paper for the DTF prints. It is so compact and it's so easy to put together. I'm so in love with this machine. Now let's make a t-shirt. One of the most important components is the ink. This is how the printer uses the ink to turn into DTF. They're easily labeled and easily able to put into the machine. You also have the DTF oven that literally bakes your DTF print in about 3 minutes, which is amazing. And then you have the powder that you have to apply before you put it in the oven to make the print a DTF transfer, which is super easy to do.
So I showed you the machine. Now let's get into how you can make a graphic and how easy it is to then just print it off on a DTF printer. Go ahead and add your powder, put it in the oven, press, and you're done. Super simple process. It has so many different uses. I'm also going to show you some of my favorite items that I can't wait to try with my DTF printer, and everyone's favorite, a t-shirt. This is the Sunday Drinking Club shirt that not only did I design, but I was able to print with my DTF printer with Pro Colored and make this all in-house in under 30 minutes. Amazing. So let's get into the actual process to show you guys. And when I tell you, first of all, I'm in love with this because I can quality control the quality of the shirt, the print. I can put whatever I want on a t-shirt now. This is so amazing. Now let's get over to the Pro Colored process and show you how to do it.
So I quickly just made a graphic in Canva. Anybody can do this. These are literally just fonts from Canva and images from Canva, nothing special. This is how you can make a t-shirt. It's not complicated and anybody can do this. From this, I just downloaded it into the Pro Colored software and then sent it to the printer. So I just want to show you how easy it is to make an image so that you don't feel overwhelmed or that is intimidated to do so. So here's my print directly out of the printer, and the colors are so vibrant. It looks just like my image that I show you on screen. After that, you have to sprinkle the powder on it and then put it into the DTF oven. This process only takes about 3 minutes, and from there you're pretty much almost there into making your t-shirt. This process was so easy and simple. As you can see, I take it out of the DTF oven after it's cured, and you can see the difference from the backing once it's out of the oven. Now just taking it over to my heat press. I have a high quality t-shirt that I decided to purchase to print it on, and from there it's such an easy process. So I just pre-pressed the t-shirt one time just to get all the lumps and bumps out of it with the heat press. It's an auto press, so it just takes a few seconds to do that so that I can get as flat a surface as possible for my DTF transfer. Now, after this process, all you have to do is place the transfer onto your t-shirt, make sure it's aligned properly, and I also use a Teflon sheet to put over top of the DTF print, and just like that, literally you have a t-shirt. This shirt came out so amazing, and it looks like something directly from the store, and actually a better quality because it is exactly what I want. The print, the color, everything is so amazing. As you can see, once you're done pressing. All you have to do is remove the backing and you have an amazing t-shirt that you can go ahead and wear. And you was able to do this all at home with the Pro Colored DTF printer. This is a game changer for small businesses, for crafters, and you can literally make items on demand with this printer.
Now guys, it's not if, it's when are you gonna buy your Pro Colored DTF printer. It is a game changer, especially for small business owners, hobbyists. Don't just think about t-shirts, think about fabric, every fabric under the sun. Think about flags, think about bags, shoes. I mean, the possibilities are like almost endless. So let me know down below what you think. I'm gonna leave the links so you can purchase everything that you've seen in my video. And also thank you for Pro Color for sponsoring this video. I'm so happy to have my machine and I know you guys are going to love it. And I can't wait to show you guys more content with my DTF printer.